Hello Lord of the Rings Hobbit fans and fellow YouTubers, Alpha Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel. Today I have another environment I'd like to show you, and it is Weathertop. It is from Sideshow Weta. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's get right into it. So here is Weathertop, and this is the art box that it comes in. And it is made by Sideshow Weta. And here's the front of the box. And to the side, and to the back if you want to pause and read that. And the other side, and the front again. Let's open this right up here. I'm really excited this. I got this from a buddy of mine, from Ben Schenk. And thank you, Ben. These are pretty cool environments. They've always have been. I'm glad to have this one in my collection. And I love environments, and I will continue collecting environments as long as they come out. There we go. Slightly, and it is heavy. Don't want it to break here. Lots of foamies. And this is being sculpted by Mary McLaughlin. And it is number 2100 of 3000. Like I said, it's just a tiny little environment. And Weathertop is where the hobbits, Frodo, Sam, and Merry Pippin and Aragorn go. And this is where Frodo gets stabbed at the top of it from from the Witch King. Pretty cool. You can see all the tiling in the middle. I'll show you some close-ups in a bit here. I just wanted to take a quick overlook here. Yeah, you can see the steps where the ringers come down, and there's more steps on the right going up under the arches there. It's a pretty cool piece here. It's yeah, I really like this. This is really, really cool. I'm going to show you some close-ups now. This is pretty cool. So here's the side of the Weathertop. Show you all around here really quick here. Pretty cool. I like how they put all the grass on the cliffs, or it could be grass or moss. Pretty cool. That's cool. I like all the texture that's on there too. You can see it scaling up there. You can see what I mean with the archways there. That's pretty cool. I really like that. You can see little trees on the side of the hills. It just looks like a ruin, which it pretty much is. can see the inside there. Oh, yeah, there we go. Pretty cool. You can see on the one side over there, that's where they're, I believe, where the ring race come down. After Frodo and Merry, Pippin, and Sam were helping Frodo there get out of the tight bind. Oh, I think that's where they come in, sorry. Right there. It's a pretty cool little statue though. Environment. And you can see on the tiling on the ground there. That's pretty cool. I like that. Yeah. Just overall a cool little environment. Like I said, just like the texture on this. It's pretty cool. And that's Weathertop. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of Weathertop here. Comment down below what you guys thought of this environment. Like and subscribe. Have a great day. See you guys in the next video. And stay tuned. I got lots more stuff coming up.